Hi MIT, I'm Kelly Yang, one of the library assistants on campus, and I'm here to show you how to look up biographical information on an author using the database Literature Online. And with that, let's get started. Here, we're on the Literature Online homepage. To begin, you want to select Author Pages at the top of the search bar. And today, I want to look up the author Zadie Smith, so I'm going to type that into the search bar. You can also search Smith, Zadie, and both searches should give you the same results. Once on the page, you can see that there are 4 results. But I want to select Smith, Zadie, 1975, which was the year that she was born. With authors that have more common names, you might have to look through the results and select the author based on their birth or death year and/or their picture if available. But once on your page, you can read through her biography by selecting Read Full ProQuest Biography. Or you can scroll down to view other categories of materials, such as literary criticisms of her work or other reference works involving Smith. And that's all I have for you today. I hope this was helpful and happy searching.